This is a video on the floods around Mildura during 2016 and 2022. At the moment we're standing on the levee bank over the golf course in Wentworth. It's completely underwater and it did come up higher than this. We've come for a look up on Pump Hill Lookout now in Merbein to see the extent of the water.
Oh, it's moving.
Yeah, she's moving pretty fast. A lot of water there. I'm not sure where they'll show up, but there's dragonflies all over the place here. Well, here there's stairs here going down to the river. I might see if I can wander down them and have a look. There should be, down in the trees just down the bottom here, there should be a marker where the flood levels are.
There is, but that's
I don't know if I'll be able to get to it though.
it's in the water.
Yeah, no, it's in the water. That's right. If I look now, the track to it's in the water. We can get to the bottom of the stairs, and the track is still there just at this moment,
That's usually a long way from the river.
which goes down here to a picnic area. You can come in from the other way from Merbein Common as well to that picnic area. You can't drive up to it though. Here you go, here are the stairs. Here's Bronga Caravan Park across the river, as you can see over there.
Lots of big trees along the edge.
There's a few trees down over there, isn't there?
Yeah. And they've sandbagged all the lower parts, sandbagged with the black plastic and
Oh,
sand
it's got
inside.
sandbags, yeah,
it's
on
got
it, yeah.
sandbags, yeah. Save that bit of land area.
We're just down at the foreshore, not far from where the ferry actually takes off, and we'll show you the boarding ramp there. There's a lot of it's underwater at the moment. This structure over here is just a little seating area, and for any of you who know Badger Bates, it was all done by him and designed. Jacarandas are looking really good this time of year too.
Beautiful.
Yeah, just along the waterfront at Mildura at the moment. We're here where you'd normally board to get onto the riverboat, paddle steamer, and as you can see there's not much of it left, most of it's in the water. You'd normally get on from the lower level, but they're using a little area to get on at the moment, which is just over there. Right, we're at the old homestead in Mildura at the back fence, and we're looking to where the lock should be that lets the boats in and out, that controls the river levels for the paddle steamer, and we can't see the lock at all. I'll zoom in a second and I'll show you the flag that's on the end of the lock. Where the yellow buoys are is where the lock sort of finishes, just up from there. and the lock is gone. There's nothing there at all. You can see the buoys there, and the flag is somewhere here.
It's flying towards us.
Must be about in the middle of the screen now. I can't see the flag flying actually. But that tower is generally way out of above the lock.
That's the observation tower.
And around the corner is where the river generally flows around. I just came down here to look at how high the water is up on some of the houses on the other side. You can see the logs in front of us there, and it's the 24th of November 2016, and we've just been lucky enough to see the houseboat Melbourne come down, the paddle steamer, so we'll just wait until it goes past. Few people on it today, not a lot. No need for it to go through the lock today, just come around the main river. There she goes. While we're here, I thought I might as well open up and do a picture of the grounds of the old homestead.
They've reboarded the homestead.
It's quite interesting to come and have a look at times. It doesn't cost anything to get in, and you can just come in and have a look around. They do have guided tours at times, but not today. And displays in some of the old houses. Old horse trough. Doesn't give any dates on it. Sometimes they had dates on them. Well, we're just heading out from the road down the hill from our place to have a look at the boat ramp. We won't be able to get anywhere near it because of the flooding of the water, so we'll just do a bit of a video just to see what's going on. As you can see, we're just near the road there, and I turn straight around and it's flooded right through to here. I might be able to walk down this track over here and show you some of the go down this track there, and we might be able to see the boat ramp still, I'm not sure, but you can see down here where the roads, there's a chap just riding past on his push bike, going to go for a swim, I think. No, he's decided it might be too deep, mate, for your bike. I think you'll be coming back. Just see the yellow sign over there where it says road closed, and normally down through here where this water is flowing at the moment, there was a road you can see, I'll try to zoom in on it. Jap over there's talking, telling a story too, the same as I am. And you can see the boat ramp sign just there. It's the way to the boat ramp. And I'll zoom out and come back in again. The boat ramp should be over on the left hand side of that tree, but we don't know where the hell it is.
You might be able to see the lights from over the other side.
A month or so ago we took the pictures of where it was all flooded here, and if you noticed in the other previous pictures it was all up to these signs. Now it would have gone even further up past the car here because the road was closed off. So we'll just show you here, it's all dry again. It looks like it's had a grade. The boat ramp is down this way. You can see there is someone at the boat ramp at the moment. We'll go down and have a look down there. Yeah, considering where the water was, yeah. Here's Helen standing, trying to indicate where the water level was on the post, but it's above her hand, she can't reach that high. All this was all flooded. We've just come down from our place to see the river at the boat ramp, but it's definitely higher than the 2016 flood, and it's right up near the road. We could see a pipe under the road just here last time we were down, so it's definitely a lot higher. Oh, yep. I've got pictures of a sign over here under that tree, and we'll have to compare them with the 16.
What sort of fish is that?
There's a fish down here in the water. I probably won't catch him on camera.
It's a little one.
Wow.
That's water.
I can't even walk up through the bush like I did last time to see down towards the boat ramp, but there's a sign over there somewhere. Well, I can't get there now
that's
to get
the
good
high
pictures.
Sign on the parking.
Yeah. We just left home to have a look at the road that goes down on the river to see how flooded it was. Now we can't get to the boat ramp. The road's underwater.
That's a lot of water.
There's a hell of a lot of water. Here's the road along the waterfront, it's all underwater. Kids' playground. Just here, standing here, you can see the water coming past us, building up on the road. A couple of minutes ago it wasn't up to the edge of that concrete barrier over there. It's getting higher all the time. Here it is, you can see it moving in on the road while we stand here.
It's not just edging, it's coming quite quickly.
It's actually coming uphill. This is not flat here. That's very fast, isn't it? We've come down to look at the river. It's supposed to be at its peak today or tomorrow. So as you can see, it's come up a long way, but over behind those trees is where the river boats generally come in, and in front of the trees is all usually car park, where we're looking at now. And on the other side of that, shade. This is compared with a few weeks ago when we took this. There was a fence hanging out of the water. Along here's where all the houseboats are generally tie up, but there's no houseboats here and nowhere to tie up. We're standing on the levee in Wentworth, and normally this is a toilet down there and a car park down there, and this is where the junction of the Murray and the Darling is, which you can't see at the moment. You can see out there, I'll try to zoom in on it. Out there's a buoy bobbing around in the water, and that's where the two of them come in together. Something we did notice, the Murray was flowing quite clear up further in Mildura, but here it's quite dirtier, but I guess it's a backwater. There's a shed out here, as you can see, underwater. Over here we've got some wood ducks, and they've got little ducklings at the moment. Nowhere to go. I won't stay here too long, they're concerned about me, so
At this stage, the lock was being put back in. As you can see, the water level got pretty low.
Normally the water would be up to this level here, so they could launch their boats properly from the boat club, or rowing club.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the comparison.